Hey everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to solve a new question, which is remove outermost parenthesis. So we are given a valid parenthesis string in form of a plus d plus c, where a, b, and c are valid primitive strings. Okay, so a primitive string is a valid parenthesis string which can't be split in s equal to x plus y, which can get split with x and y non-empty valid parenthesis strings. You have to remove the outermost parenthesis string from all primitive strings. This is the example. Let's discuss this example in the open board. So we have this example. First, we'll see this is the valid parenthesis or not. This is the valid one because it is balanced, right? And this one can get split into two parts. So we can split this one, right? Okay. Plus, we can see that we can split it into two parts, right? This is the second part. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to process innermost parentheses. We have to add them into the answer. We have to remove, that is, we don't have to add the outermost parentheses into the answer, right? So process the innermost parentheses and add them into the answer. Don't add the outermost parentheses. So right. Answer would be these. We got the answer. Let's see other examples also. If we are given this one, what we have to do, we can see that these are the outermost parentheses. So we have to remove them. So we will get empty string. We don't have an answer for it, right? For this one, we have to process the innermost strings, innermost parentheses, and we have to ignore the outermost strings. So our answer would be this one. For this one, what we have, ignore the outermost strings, process the innermost strings, and that is the parentheses, and add them into the answer. For this one, this can't be split, right? No. Can? No, we cannot. So what we will do is remove the outermost strings and process the innermost strings. This would be our answer, right? So these were the examples. Let's take some more examples. Okay. Okay. So these are the parentheses. One bracket is extra. Remove it. So what we have to do? We can break it into two parts, right? For this part, empty string will be answer. There's no answer. Process the innermost string, right? Remove the outermost strings. So what we will have is, this would be our answer. Wait. This would be our answer of this whole. So how we can do this? This is not the way we can split and we can do. What we'll do, we'll use a data structure stack. Like for this example only, Take this one. If we get an open parenthesis, open brackets, right? What we'll do, we'll check and then we'll push. If we get the closing brackets, what we'll do, we'll remove the open brackets only from the stack and we will add them into the answer. First we'll check and then add them into the answer. So this is the answer what we have, right? First, this parenthesis is processed, add it into the stack, then this one, push it into the stack, then this one came. What we'll do, remove first. So this one will get erased, right? Then this one came, and also these one will get added to our answer also, right? Then this bracket came, push it into the stack, then this came, remove it. Now check if the stack is empty or not. Stack is not empty, add it into the answer, right? Then this came, pop it out, and now see if the stack is empty or not. Stack is now empty, so these are the outermost, right? So this will not get added to our answer. Then this bracket came, add it into the stack, then this came, push it into the stack, then this came, pop it out and see if the stack is empty or not. Stack is not empty, so this will get to our answer. Then this came, so pop it out and now check. First remove and then we'll check that if the stack is empty or not. Stack is empty now, so this was the outermost. We got our answer. This was the answer. First, what we were doing is we were splitting them into two parts, right? Plus, okay. Then we were processing the innermost and removing the outermost. This was our answer. And this is the answer which is coming from this algorithm, right? So this is the right method. Let's take some more examples. Okay. This is the example, right? Make a stack for open bracket, push it in the stack. Closing bracket, remove it. Now see the stack is empty or not. Stack is empty. This one will not get into our answer, right? Then this came, push it into the stack. Closing bracket, remove it from the stack and then see if the stack is empty or not. Stack is empty. So this was the outermost. It will not get added to our stack, right? Then this came, add it. This came, add it. Closing bracket, remove it. See the stack is empty or not. Stack is not empty. Our answer will contain this one, okay? Next, this bracket came, pop this bracket and see the stack is empty or not. Stack is empty now. With this one will not get added to our stack, added to our answer. Then these brackets came, then this one, closing bracket. First remove and now see if the stack is empty or not. Stack is not empty, add it to the answer, right? Then this one came, add it. Pop it out, closing bracket came. Now see if the stack is empty or not. Stack is not empty. This will include in our answer. Then this came, pop it out. See if the stack is empty or not. Stack is empty now. So we can't add it to our answer. This is our answer. So we can see if this is correct or not. So these can be split into 4 parts, right? For this one, empty string was an answer. This one, empty string was an answer. This one bracket plus two brackets. These were ignored because these were the outermost. So we got the correct answer, right? Our algorithm is, let's code it into our answer and see. Okay. So what we can do, first make string answer, right? Then we'll make a star of char type and ht. Then for loop for auto, give it a name x, will traverse in string s, the given string. If our x is equals to opening bracket, what we were doing is, okay, what we were doing is, if opening bracket came, first we'll check, then we'll push, right? If the closing bracket came, first we'll remove and then check if the stack is empty or not. Then we'll decide it will get added or not, right? Okay. So if we get an opening bracket, what we'll do, we'll check one more condition. We will first check, right? If stack dot size is greater than 0, then answer or push back x. Okay. Next, what we were doing, we were pushing into the stack. ht dot push x. Okay, done. This opening bracket thing is done. Let's go on for the closing bracket. Else, what we will do, we were removing it. st dot pop if our stack is not empty. What we were doing, answer dot push back x, and we were at last returning the answer. Let's run this code and see if it's correct or not. Okay, let's submit this code. Okay, all test cases passed. So I hope I was clear with the concept today, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.